Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to my Post and Earn review. We are going to be taking a close look at Post and Earn in this review, and also, most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving away to get you the best possible outcome with Post and Earn. This is my bonus page, and you'll find the link to this page in the description of this video. Post and Earn goes live on the 5th of November by 9 a.m. Eastern Time. So you are going to find a full demo of Post and Earn on this bonus page. Right now I'm going to go through the custom bonuses, and then I'm going to let you see what Post and Earn is about. But in a nutshell, this is a cloud-based software, and just as the name implies, it allows you to post and get paid to do that. Now, you don't need to create content in order to earn with Post and Earn, even though it comes with the option to actually create content. But what this allows you to do is it allows you to download short videos from TikTok and YouTube. Those are YouTube shorts and also TikTok videos. Usually, these videos are less than 60 seconds in most cases. So you can easily download this, and then you can actually re-upload this, get views, and that's how you get paid with Post and Earn. So I'm going to run through my bonuses right now, and then I'm also going to let you see in this review how Post and Earn works. The first bonus I'm giving you, you're going to be getting access to a traffic software. One of the ways I love using, or one of the ways that is proven to get you paid online, is affiliate marketing. So you can actually embed your links, your affiliate links, or your blog, or whichever link you want to send traffic to. This is a software that allows you to embed these links on top other people's videos. Now, this does not require you to create content at all, because you are going to be getting access to the opportunity to select any videos you want in any niche, and then you can actually place your links on these videos. You can place opt-in forms on videos. You can place call to actions. You can place buttons on these videos. You can actually upload your own images and then set the link. People are going to be taken to whenever they watch these videos that you've selected, and your ad shows up whenever they click on your ad. Those are your images or your call to actions. You can set the link. It's going to take them to. So you're going to be getting access to this software as my bonus number one. Now, bonus number two, you're going to be getting access to a full funnel of Octagon. This is a cloud-based software that gives you access to done-for-you high-quality product reviews for ClickBank and for Warrior Plus. Not only are you going to be getting the front end, you are also going to be getting all the money-making upgrades for the cloud-based Octagon software. Also, bonus number three, it's proven that when you actually offer bonuses, to try to promote any offer, to try to make money with any offer, it's proven that you get the highest possible conversions if you're actually offering bonuses, in addition to the offer or the product you are trying to promote. So you're getting access to a bonus page creator software that automatically creates the delivery for you. Now, you don't have to do anything, because you get access to the graphics, you get access to the software, you get access to the bonuses you are going to be giving away. Everything is done for you. All you need to do is select whichever bonuses you want to offer, and then the delivery pages automatically. The bonus page and the delivery pages are going to be automatically created for you. Also, bonus number four, you are going to be getting access to my responsive list of up to 800 plus subscribers that can get you started making you money within the first 12 hours that you lay your hands on this. You are also going to be getting access to autoresponder software that allows you to mail your list. Also, bonus number five, you're going to be getting access to cloud-based software that gives you done for you custom affiliate marketing squeeze page templates that you can actually use and start making money right with this. You get access to lead magnets you can actually offer that will make people voluntarily give you their email addresses. So this allows you to build your list while making money with affiliate marketing. And also, bonus number six, you're going to be getting access to software that allows you to drive a ton of traffic from Facebook and also allows you to put your Facebook on automation. You want to manage pages, you want to drive some free traffic even while you sleep. This allows you to set up everything and then allows you to drive a ton of traffic with Facebook. This also comes with Page Builder that allows you to basically promote any product and send some high quality traffic to get the best conversions. Also, bonus number 7, you are going to be getting access to automated Quora traffic software. This allows you to drive a ton of traffic in any niche from Quora and to make money, promoting affiliate offers from Quora. Also, bonus number 8, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also. Now, all these bonuses are going to be waiting for you in the members area of Warrior Plus. Once you log into Warrior Plus, you are going to find your purchases, you are going to find Post and Earn, and then you're going to find my own bonuses right next to it. Now, all you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. If you do that, it's going to take you to the sales page of Post and Earn. This is where you're going to be able to pick up Post and Earn, and where you're going to be getting full information about the cloud-based software. So here it says, finally, a guaranteed way for us to make money online. Exposed how this secret 129 million user platform pays us $37 every time we post, and we still get paid regardless if anyone buys anything. We give you the post to use 100% free, no budget needed, no products or affiliate marketing required. So feel free to come check out the video once this goes live on the 5th of November by 9 a.m. Eastern time. So feel free to come check out the sales page in your own time to get full information about Post and Earn. The sales page comes with a ton of proof of results as you are going to find when you visit this page. So right now I'm going to show you the pricing, and then I'm also going to let you see how Post and Earn works. The front end goes for a one-time fee of $19, which is pretty cool. Now there are some optional upgrades like the Post and Earn Unlimited that goes for $47. You have the Done For You that goes for $297. You have the automation that goes for $47. The missing code goes for $97. You have the Done For You buyer traffic, that's $147. You have the commission maximizer, that's $47. You have the 6-figure license rights that goes for $197. You have the automated 1K profits that goes for $97, and then you have the final one, which is the mega bundle that goes for $37. So that's going to be my review of Post and Earn. Stay tuned right now for the demo.
Hey guys, what if you can earn money just by posting video online? Yes, you heard me right. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money just by posting video online, and to show you how true this is. Now, this is a platform where you'll be posting this video to. As you can see, this is a 10 seconds videos of an adorable footage that shows a toddler first step, and so far this video has earned $16. This is also another videos. Can you see? That's hilarious method to get someone to go to bed. And this video has also earned $30. This is also another video showing a scuba diver. Can you see that? $126 earned just by posting all these short videos. This does not involve selling or does not involve any traffic method or affiliate marketing. So what is this all about? Okay, great. Let me introduce you to this powerful software that makes this possible. And the software is called Post and Earn. Post and Earn app is a never seen before software that allows you to tap to a secret 129 million user platform that pays us $37 every time we post, as you can see in the videos I showed you recently. And the best part is that this does not involve selling and no traffic is needed. Just post and get paid. And the beauty of this is that this software also gives you the post to use, so it's 100% free and there's no budget needed. So now let me log into this software and show you how to use this app to get paid every time you post online. Okay, so here is the Post and Earn dashboard. As you can see the welcome message here, and you can click the button below to post and earn right away. So you can click here on this dashboard. We have the video analytics, we have the task completed, we have the total number of videos posted, we have the total number of people viewing your videos as well. So now the very first thing you need to do is to click here to get started, or you can come to the video menu and click on the select video and then follow the process. So I'm going to just click on the select video or click on the start here button. So now once you click on the select video, it takes you to this page. Now you are provided with two options. You can actually search TikTok videos for short videos, or you search for YouTube shorts. So whichever way, let's say I want to search for TikTok videos, I'm just going to search for funny videos. Can you see that? And then click on the search TikTok. Okay, so it's going to bring tons and tons of videos. Can you see? You can see tons and tons of TikTok videos that you can use. So yeah, I'm just going to download one. Click on the download button. Okay, so I'm just going to click here and click the download button. As you can see, start downloading to your system. This is a short video. You can see this is 12 seconds videos, and trust me, this type of videos are going to make you dollars every single day online. So I've downloaded that, and the next thing is to go back to our app and click on the next button. So once you click on the next button, you need to click here to post your video. So the next thing is to upload the downloaded video. So I'm just going to drag and drop this one here. Can you see why it's uploading? So yeah, I can just say scary. Can you see, you just come up with a description and ensure that your keyword is there. So once you're done, the next thing is to select the thumbnail that you want to use. So I'm just going to select this. So the tags, these are what will ensure that your videos are easy for other people to get across or to actually search or locate them. So yeah, I'm going to put Halloween, funny, scary, trailer, and all that. So once you're done, if you want to schedule your video, you can schedule your video here. If you want to upload directly, just click on the upload button. And once you click on the upload button, you can see you have 4 different options. So I'm just going to click here, video management. You see that? And then you click on the submit button. And that's all you need to do. Can you see? Submitted already. So as you can see, that's how to post and get paid using Post and Earn app, as you can see. So once the video is uploaded, then you need to go to this secret platform to check your earnings at all time, and also how to withdraw at all times. So also on this same, you can actually create your own videos yourself. As you can see, if you go to video creator, you can see this video creator allows you to create your own video yourself by turning images to slideshow. So you can make use of this as well. So it's very simple. All you need to do is just to select the photos, and once you're done selecting the photos, you click on create and it creates the video for you automatically. We also have the done for you videos here. As you can see, we have the thumbnail creator. In case you don't want to use the self-generated thumbnails, you want to create your own catchy thumbnails, you can make use of our thumbnails creator. Also, we also have the video downloader that allows you to download video. Okay, so you can see there's a thumbnail creator. You can create your thumbnails here using all these editing tools here. So also we have the video downloader, and this allows you to download video from other video platforms that you can edit and share on this secret platform to get paid anytime you post video. Thank you for watching. Bye.